Hey there, it's Stefan, and I just want to give you a quick tip that you can start to use right away when you record yourself with your phone. So a lot of the times what I see happening is when people film themselves, they tend to use the front camera, which is great because you can actually see yourself, especially if you're doing like an Instagram live or a Facebook live. You can communicate with what's going on the screen. But did you know that typically on each phone, the rear camera is actually the camera with the highest quality? And so if you are gonna record yourself and it's not necessarily a live, I actually would recommend to switch your camera, your phone around and use the rear camera. Let me show you the difference. Alright, so in this shot, I'm actually recording myself using the front camera and it doesn't look too bad actually, but we have the tendency to actually look at the screen. So look at where my eyes are right now. I'm not looking directly at you. I'm looking at the screen so I can see what it looks like. If I'm actually looking at a lens directly, that already is going to make a huge difference because now it feels like I'm actually talking to you, whereas now I'm talking to whatever's on the side of the screen. So now let's hop into the rear camera. Alright, and now I'm using the rear camera on my phone, and as you can see, the quality is a little bit sharper and the background might actually be a little bit more blurry, which helps me pop out of the background more. Then the other benefit is that there is no screen to watch and look at myself. I have to look straight in the lens all the time, and that will help you to stay engaged with me more. Now, it's difficult to see what type of framing or how do I look because I can't look at the screen myself. So this is the period where you might have to do a few experiments and see where exactly you need to hold the phone. But as a rule of thumb, I recommend to hold it exactly at eye level and stretch your arm out as far as possible. There you have it, a very quick and simple tip you can start using right away on your own videos. I wish you all the best with it, and I'm really excited to be seeing you during my training.